How to check car oil. Maintaining the proper oil level in your vehicle is essential for keeping your engine running smoothly and preventing serious damage. If you're asking yourself how to check car oil, don't worry, it's a simple task that only takes a few minutes and can save you from costly repairs down the road. Why is checking car oil important? Engine oil lubricates the moving parts in your vehicle's engine, reducing friction and preventing overheating. Without sufficient oil, the engine can overheat, seize, or even fail. Regularly checking the oil helps ensure your engine stays lubricated and performs optimally. Step-by-step guide on how to check car oil. Prepare your vehicle. Start by parking your car on a flat surface. Make sure the engine is turned off and has cooled down for at least 10–15 minutes to ensure an accurate reading. Open the hood. Locate the hood release lever inside the car and open the hood. Use the prop rod if your car has one to secure the hood in place. Find the dipstick. Look for the dipstick, which is usually marked with a brightly colored handle, often yellow or orange. The dipstick is located near the engine. Remove and clean the dipstick. Pull the dipstick out, wipe it clean with a rag or paper towel, and then reinsert it back into the tube completely. This step ensures that you're reading an accurate measurement. Check the oil level. Remove the dipstick again and inspect the oil level. You should see oil between the min and max markers on the stick. If the oil level is low, it's time to add more oil. Check the oil's condition. Besides the level, check the oil's color and texture. Fresh oil is usually golden or amber in color. If the oil looks dirty, dark, or gritty, it may be time for an oil change. Top off the oil if needed. If the oil is below the min mark, use a funnel to add the recommended type of oil. Check your owner's manual for specifications. Be careful not to overfill, as this can cause issues too. Tips for checking car oil. Check regularly. It's a good idea to check your oil every 1,000 miles or so, especially if your car is older. Cold vs hot engine. While you can check the oil with a hot engine, it's best to do it when the engine is cool to get a more accurate reading. Oil change. If your oil appears dirty or if it's been several 1,000 miles since your last oil change, schedule an appointment to replace the oil. Why regularly checking car oil matters. Checking your car's oil regularly helps you extend the life of your engine by ensuring proper lubrication. Prevent engine damage by keeping oil levels within the recommended range. Save money on costly engine repairs by addressing issues early. Now that you know how to check car oil, make it part of your regular car maintenance routine. By doing so, you can avoid costly repairs and ensure your engine runs efficiently for years to come.